In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a Xero invoice in the simplest and most efficient way, following our complete 2025 guide. Let's get right into it, starting with entering or approving the supplier bill on Xero. First, you'll want to log into your Xero account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Business tab and choose Bills to Pay. This section lists all the bills that need your attention. Open the specific supplier's invoice, also known as a bill, to ensure all the details are accurate. It's crucial to check that the supplier's name, the due date, and all amounts, including applicable taxes, are correct. If everything seems fine, click on Approve to move forward. Now, on to creating the payment. With the Approve Bill open, locate and click the Add Payment button. A window will pop up asking for some essential details. Here you'll need to enter the date you intend to make the payment. Make sure that you specify the bank account from which the payment will be made. You can decide whether you're paying the full amount or a partial payment at this stage. Fill in all necessary fields carefully to ensure accuracy. Once you've got the payment details set up, it's time to process the payment. If you utilize bank feeds, you have the advantage of matching the payment directly when it appears during your bank reconciliation. This can streamline the process considerably. However, if you manage payments using the batch payment option, particularly useful for covering multiple invoices at once, you'll start by selecting the invoices in the Bills to Pay section. Next, click on Batch Payment and generate your payment file. This file, in formats like ABA, BAX, or SEPA, will then need to be uploaded to your online banking portal for processing. Alternatively, if you rely on direct pay through a connected bank, the procedure is slightly different. Here, you'll have to confirm the payment within Xero, then complete the approval by logging into your bank account to finalize it. Finally, let's wrap up the process with reconciliation. Navigate to the Accounting tab, then to Bank Accounts and select Reconcile. Here, you'll be matching the outgoing bank transaction to the supplier's invoice within Xero. This process confirms that your records accurately reflect the transaction. Once you've matched them, click OK, and Xero will automatically mark the invoice as paid. And there you have it. By following these steps, managing and paying your Xero invoices become a streamlined task. Thanks for following along, and I hope you now find it easier to deal with your bills in Xero. Don't forget to check out more of our videos for further guides and tips.